Hey guys, I just want to show you the system I came up with to make my shoulder rings functional, which are just kind of standard molded shoulder rings. Some people have made stuff similar to this, but this is just something that I came up with the other day. So I've got these basic shoulder rings and just the standard two halves of the torso. The shoulder rings obviously lock the two halves together. So what I did was create the tabs here, which I've just glued on from the inside, just little bits of PVC or styrene. It's probably about 2 mil thickness, and they're fairly low profile, so they've just glued them in there. And what I did was cut a couple of little pieces out to line up with the back and bottom two tabs. The top one at the front doesn't have a cutout at all, but you use the top hinge mount to basically line it up roughly at the front. And the ring just slots on like that. And then when it's aligned with the two holes, it just sits into its, onto its collar. And then the normal arm position for C3PO is actually with the hinge behind the seam line. So the way I've made this means that these two notches here don't actually interfere with these tabs at all. So when you're raising your arm up at the front, then the shoulder ring will actually rotate backwards. So the hinge point here, depending on how you attach it, should be clear of these tabs, and then these two holes down the bottom and at the back should avoid ever coming into contact with this. So I had a few other different systems where I had 3 holes cut out of the ring, and then I figured out that I actually only needed the 2, and the top tab is basically just there as a support and is not really required to have a gap cut out of it. So again, just to take it off, you line up the 2 holes and just gently pull it away, and the whole thing comes off. It's really simple, and it should work pretty well. Now, I haven't actually had the opportunity to wear this because it's too small for me, but that is effectively how the 3D printed rings that Gordon Tarpleys has made work. But I think this is just a sort of a modification of the way he's made his, and this is easily adaptable to just a standard torso. So I don't know, that might help you guys if that's something you want to do, and if not, it's all good. But I just wanted to show you anyway. Thanks guys.